Someone asked me the question, why don't I just use a flat blade when I'm doing the wide joint? And yes, I do have a flat blade, and I also have trowels. In fact, I've got another one that's a little bit thinner than this. And that, if you look down the line, is straight. That is straight. As opposed to my finishing trowel, which has a very distinct curve in it. And you'll be able to see that just there. Someone said, well, by using this, I'm going to get waves. Is that the case, and why do I use it? Let me show you here what happens. When you put pressure on your trowel, like this here, you can see there's a gap here. It's very easy with a little bit of pressure, even though it's got stiffener on it, that will actually touch. And so, in effect, you're going to get a curve the other way. Same thing happens with the trowel. You've got a big stiffener there, but when you're putting a bit of pressure on, as you often will, push that down and you're getting a curve the opposite way. So to exaggerate, imagine this is our tape, and then we put our trowel on there, and our next, so we've got a coat on there, which is going to be like that, and then a coat on there, which is going to be like that, and like that. And by using a flat blade or trowel, you're more likely to get a curve. Whereas this one here, when you press down, you've got a lot more travel before you get to flat or beyond. So then, doing it here, I do with that one, and it's going to end up being fairly flat. That one's going to be fairly flat. So then when I sand it, I'm going to get a more consistent curve. Does this work in practice? Well, look at this wall. I haven't sanded it yet. You can see all the lines. So I've not yet sanded. I'm going to change the angle. Putting a bit of skirting on the wall. Remember, not yet sanded. Put that on there like so, and as you can see by that line across the top, it is looking relatively flat. That's why my preference is the finishing trowel, the one with the concave curve.